Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to do a product review on this Vivohome 3-in-1 stand mixer. Vivohome is going to be an international brand sold in the United States, and they offer professional grade products for gathering, sports, kitchens, and pets. They have a variety of colors and styles, but I'll choose the silver. The item is well packed, as you can see guys, and there's a catalog. You can see everything that they have for home and kitchen, and manual instruction of course, and they have great customer service experts that ensure delivery, competitive pricing, and depending on what you're buying, they offer installation and 3 months warranty. Okay guys, that's everything inside the box. As you can see, as a beater, you can use it for medium to heavy mixtures. The whisk for light mixtures. And the dough hook for heavy mixtures. That's the meat presser. They have different sizes of sieve. You can use them to make pasta or ground meat. If you guys interested of buying one, there's a code of 12% off. The code is mercy12 in the description box down below. This is the tray. The mixing bowl, this part is the helix housing. Inside of it you will find the helix and the blade. Guys, you have to do that every time after each use so you can clean it properly. Guys, they have super fast delivery within 2 to 4 days. They ship your item within 24 hours once they receive your payment. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. I'm so grateful to have you. Without you, I would never be where I am today. Thank you so very much and keep on watching. Guys, I really like the fact this jar made of glass. Now I'm finished with the part. I'm going to show you how to install it. Keep on watching.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color
It does have a suction. Once you put it on the counter, it's not going to go nowhere. For those of you who have kids, and that's me, I'm going to do my smoothie, guys. You see my strawberry, banana, and mangoes. So I'm going to demonstrate you guys how I use it. And for I'm telling you, for somebody that have busy life, this one is very good because as you can see, I can use everything at the same time. I can proudly say cooking made easy with Vivohome.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on.
And for safety reason, if you're not using the blender, it's better to cover because it's not going to work. As you can see what I'm doing right now, no, it's not going to go nowhere, it's not going to do nothing. So once you put the cover, it will work perfectly. I really love my stand mixer, guys. Please don't forget to check the description box down below. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you so very much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!